Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, I'm going to suggest we shift gears with this Aussie dollar trade. Here's what I'm proposing. We're trading down into a 4-hour order block right here. So I think what might be a good idea is to take partial profits here. Have a look at both positions. Okay, we've got, say, a $35 gain with this one here. So let's take $35 off the table. Done. We're in the money $35. So what we can do now is pull our stop loss down to better than break even. And given that this is risk-free now, we let it run. 100% risk-free, slightly in the money. We're ahead of the game. Let's do that with this trade. Given that we're trading down into this level here, that's the only thing about this, as well as, I should add, we also have price gaps above. That one not so much, but back here, this is definitely overextended. Right, so we've got these gaps above here, and we have our previous order block above here. Coming into the London session, it wouldn't surprise me we see a decent pullback before another leg down if this is going to be bearish. So let's just take our money, bring it into a positive risk-free situation, and then let's see how we go with this one. Now you can see where my stop loss is. Just make sure that you're in the money. Okay, so close one of your positions and then just pull the stop loss down so that it's cash positive, and then we just let it go. Either way, right? Stop gets taken out, it doesn't matter. And really, if this gains some ground, we'll just follow it down until the trend breaks. So I think that's what we do with this one at this point. Okay guys, with that, see you in the next one.